Did you know the U.S. Navy once shot down a passenger plane full of children, then gave the crew medals for it? July 3, 1988. The USS Vincennes was hunting for a fight in Iranian waters. When Iran Air Flight 655 appeared on their radar, the crew saw what they wanted to see, an enemy fighter jet. But it wasn't. It was a commercial airliner, clearly marked, flying in a designated civilian corridor. 290 innocent people were on board, 66 of them children. The captain ignored multiple radio warnings. His crew fired anyway. Everyone died. Then came the cover-up. The Navy fabricated evidence. They claimed they were under attack. Flight data proved they were lying. They said the pilot was acting suspiciously. He wasn't. Instead of punishment, the crew received combat medals. The captain got promoted. Iran called it an act of barbarism. America never apologized. The families received minimal compensation, while the men who killed their loved ones were celebrated as heroes. Sometimes the real monsters wear uniforms.